Hey Badgers, it's your boy Saqi and today's a special Valentine's episode. So maybe he liked that picture of your dog on Instagram. Perhaps they gave way to you at the zebra crossing. Or maybe they replied to your 1900 messages with a simple K. If that's the case, don't worry, I've got the perfect recipe for you. Or for all those people out there who don't love anyone as much as you love yourself, then don't fret, because I've got your back with this recipe too. So what says love? Diamonds, gold, cars, mansions. Fortunately, we don't have that budget on this show. So let's think a bit more budget friendly. Got flowers, they might have hay fever. Chocolates, love hearts. Aha! Today we'll be making some Jammie Dodger brownies. Jammie Dodgers are just shortcakes filled with raspberry jam. So stay tuned and let's get baking. The magic about brownies is that you can use any chocolate you like. You could use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and even plain chocolate. Today I'll be using dark chocolate. Why, you ask? Because of its rich flavour. Just because you aren't rich doesn't mean your brownies don't have to be. And to our dark chocolate we'll be adding some cocoa powder and coffee. The reason we add coffee is because it enhances the flavour of your chocolate, and we'll add some melted butter to it too. Going to let this sit for 2 minutes and then we'll give it a mix. So we're going to let our chocolate mix cool. Until then, we'll continue with our batter. So for our sugars, we're using 2 types of sugar, caster sugar and dark brown sugar. Dark brown sugar has a secret ingredient in it which enhances the flavour: molasses. We'll also be using vanilla extract and salt. These two work together and enhance all baking flavours. And we'll be using eggs also. We're going to put all these ingredients into our stand mixer and beat it on a medium to fast speed for 10 minutes. That will cause a lot of air to raise and you don't have to use any raising agents. Don't forget, you can find all the ingredients and their quantities in the description box below. So the batter should now be looking like your day, thick and juicy, which means it's time to add the chocolate mix. Beat that for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to add flour and cocoa powder to our mix. You want to fold them gently using a spatula and you want to bury them deep, just how you wish you did your exes. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me. The way it is now, the brownie will take you to second base. Want to get to third base? Add white chocolate chips. And fold. Give it to them good by using your 8-inch tin. Let's get transferring. now I'm going to level the batter by using an offset spatula. Make sure you go to the corners as well. Do you want to get close to a home run? If so, you could do so by using swirls. I'll be using white chocolate and raspberry conserve for my swirls. These will fit with the colour scheme and our flavours. You could also use peanut butter, cookie butter or Nutella. The choice is endless. Want them to leave you in their will? I've got just the thing. Here we've got some brown and red assorted M&Ms, some itty bitty cutie wooty love heart sprinkles. We've got some Jammie Dodgers and some mini Jammie Dodgers. I think it's looking pretty good. So it's time to put it in the oven at 180°C for 35 to 40 minutes. You know it's ready when you put a skewer in and it comes out a little bit wet. That's if you want to go for the fudgy brownie, which we are. If you want it to be cakey, you could leave it in for 5 more minutes, put a skewer in and it comes out clean. So it's out the oven and it's had 30 minutes to cool. You could serve it whole, give a good 8-incher to that special someone, or you could cut it up into many pieces as you like and spread the love, like I'll be doing today. And there you have it, your very own Valentine's brownies. Hope you get as spoiled as the person receiving these brownies. I look forward to seeing you in my next video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!